Hello, YouTubers. It's Vicky. Oh my gosh, I could not wait to get on this flip camcorder and share my most recent purchase with you. Now, I can't even call it a scrapbooking haul because guess what? I didn't even have to go to the store and haul it home. This is my order from HSN's scrapbook fair or programs on March 1st. It wasn't a fair, it wasn't an all day long thing, but they had a couple of different programs where they were selling scrapbooking items. March 1st, 2011, because this is National Craft Month. So, they had a couple of programs on, and let me tell you, I could not be happier with my products. Now, I really cut back in my spending. Usually it's nothing for me to drop a couple $100 during their scrapbooking shows, but I've got to stop doing that. You know, I've told you guys since I have this Blu-ray DVD player and I watch YouTube on the TV, I see these products: scissors, paper, glues, adhesive, ATG guns, stickers, and I gotta go out and get them too. So I'm trying to cut back a little bit. So I was really a good girl, but look what I got. This is a scrapbooking album by Anna Griffin. This was like one of the, I think they call it the showbusters, showstoppers, something like that. Anyway, it is a 12 by 12 photo album. I wish that I wish I had Feel-O-Vision TV, because the cover's just high quality. You open it up and listen to this. The pages are already decorated for you. Now, I know you're probably saying, well, what fun is that? You know, part of the fun of having a scrapbook is putting it together. And I agree. I've done some digital scrapbooking, but I'll never ever stop doing the old-fashioned cut up the paper and stick on the pictures and add the embellishment type of scrapbooking. I love it. But let me tell you, every now and then it's nice to have a cheat album. And this is a great price and a great cheat album. Okay, looky here. So, all 20 pages are done for you. Last year, Anna had a Today's Special Value, and she had something like this. And I'll tell you, it was maybe $10, $12 cheaper, but it was put together a little bit less expensive too. Like, they had text weight paper in here instead of cardstock. I think you could tell the quality of the feel of the scrapbook album itself. But I'll tell you, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Wowee. How pretty. It's just, it's the typical Anna Griffin 3D paper embellishments. The colors are stunning. And it's 20 full pages. Look, this is real ribbon here. Real ribbon. Look at the flower embellishments. So the cost of this was $39.95, and then like $4.95 shipping. If usually they'll have a sale going on or a special where if you buy more than one item, your second item is half price shipping. Look at this. Gorgeous. Really very nice. Well done, Anna. Look at the greens. Boy, she can put them together like no one, right? I'm not saying, she's the only designer I like, but she's definitely, everybody has a favorite, and Anna is mine. But get on over there, hsn.com. And now listen, there's 2 different scrapbooking albums she has made. One has 10 pages completed for you, and it's going to be a little bit cheaper than this one. And then the other one has all 20 pages are complete. She does give you some 3D stickers to put in here with words and so forth. Okay, so that's that. Oh, listen, you even get that little extra things to make this bigger, to increase the size. And look at it. I just wish you were here to feel it. It's just such a very nice album. Okay. You all know I'm doing my Christmas pictures in March. And somebody on YouTube did a beautiful 12 by 12 layout using red foil paper. I have been on a hunt for red foil paper. The best I have found is American Crafts had a stack pack. And I mean, you know, it was on eBay and it was like $40-something. There's no way I'm paying that. So, on the March 1st, craft day at HSN, 3 Birds had 2 paper stacks for $19.99. 3 Birds. It's the must-have foil stack. Now you get an 8 by 8 stack. Look at that. I mean, you know, it's so shiny and such high quality, it's picking up my mantle and fireplace. I hope you can see the colors. Very, 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 very nice quality paper. I've picked up some foil paper. It's real thin. And it doesn't have a shine or a gleam to it. And this does. Look at that. So this is the 8 by 8. You get 2 of each color, and there's 24 pieces of paper. You also get 24 pieces of the 12 by 12. There's my red, fuchsia or hot pink, purple, blue. Well, I'd say that, yeah, it's showing up much lighter on camera. But that's like in person, it's like indigo. Now here's a more of a cobalt blue. It's darker. It's darker in person than it's showing up on camera. This is like a aqua blue. Boy, that'll be great for like swimming pool pictures. Here's a beautiful Christmas green. Here's more of an evergreen green. But you know, you still use that. People are using this for their Christmas pages now, so I'll use it. There's like a gold, and what is that? Boy, that's a very pale green. Oh, the true color is not showing up in the camera here, but silver. Listen, what a great buy. 48 pieces of quality foil paper. $25 with shipping and tax included. You gotta get over there. hsn.com. Tell them Vicky sent you. They'll know it's me. No, truly, I am an avid HSN shopper. But you guys know, I'm out here in the country. We've got a few stores out here, but our big scrapbook store is Joann Fabrics, and it's a very, very small Joann's. So, I do a lot of shopping online. Listen, I hope this helps. I show you some of my products or my projects after I get busy using this foil paper. And listen, thank you so much for everybody that has subscribed and become a friend with me on YouTube and sent me emails. I never dreamed one person would watch my video or subscribe to me. So to even have the several subscribers I do, I'm flattered. And more soon, I want to share some of my projects with you. I got to get over that little hurdle of thinking that they're not good enough, but because compared to most of you guys out there who are doing your scrapbooks, gosh, mine pales in comparison, but I'm getting better. I'm watching you guys, and heck, at least I'm doing it right. I hope you're having a perfect day. Talk to you soon.